Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open the front hood on an Alfa Romeo 4C. It is important to understand that the front hood on this vehicle is not like a conventional car hood. It is designed for service and maintenance, not for daily access. Opening it involves a multi-step process requiring specific tools, rather than a simple latch release. To begin opening the front hood, you will need to loosen the screws located inside both front wheel arches. There are typically two nuts under removable covers at the front of the wheel wells. These fasteners help to free the hood from its pins at the front. Turning your steering wheel to full lock can provide better access to these areas. Next, you will need to raise the windshield wiper blades to a vertical position. Then, locate and loosen the 4 fixing bolts situated along the base of the windshield. Once all 6 bolts, 2 from the wheel wells and 4 from the windshield base, are removed, the entire front hood panel can be carefully lifted off the vehicle. For routine access to the engine or rear storage, the Alfa Romeo 4C features a rear deck lid. To open this, simply open the driver's side door and pull the deck lid release lever, which is located on the rear of the door sill. After pulling the lever, go to the rear of the vehicle, lift the deck lid, and secure it with the prop rod.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.